Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, paano ba maging agent kay Pupo? Yung hindi sub-agent, yung hindi ka gumamit ng link ng agent para magiging sub-agent ka. Hindi ganun. Yung agent ka talaga na direct ka mismo lumapit kay Pupo. Okay, kapag nandito ka na sa yung Pupo account, pumunta ka sa help. Hanapin mo yung help dito. Then, tap mo yung my feedback. Then, questioning. Then, tap mo yung business cooperation. Then, tap mo yung agency application. Kasi nga, mag-a-apply tayo bilang agent dito kay Pupo. So, dito sa please describe your problem and details so that we can help you ASAP or as soon as possible. Ilagay mo yun dito ang I want to become an agent. Ayan. And then, kahit walang screenshot na ilagay mo dyan, okay lang. Basta ilagay mo lang yung I want to become an agent. And then, itap mo yung submit. And then, kapag nasubmit mo na yan, magre-reply sa'yo si Popo ng ganito. Ayan, yan yung i-reply niya sa'yo. Dear user, please kindly note that if you want to apply for an agent, you need to fulfill both the following 4 conditions. So, may 4 na conditions na kailangan mong i-fulfill. So, number 1 is your face authentication should be successful. Yung account natin is na-record yung mukha natin or authentication. Number 2 is your account is not under any agency now. So, yung wala kang sinalihan na agency. And number 3, you do not belong to a base salary host. Yan. And number 4, your account needs to bind with your phone number. So, kung hindi mo alam kung paano mag-bind ng phone number, may tutorial din ako niyan kung paano mag-bind ng any account or phone number sa iyong Popo account. So, ilalagay ko lang yung link dito sa description para mabilis yung makita. So, ayun na nga. Yan yung i-reply ni Popo sa'yo and then, replyan mo lang ng yes, done. And then, mga ilang minutes, hindi aabot ng oras, minutes lang po, mag-congratulate na si Popo sa'yo na agent ka na. So, para mabilis, kailangan nagawa mo yung 4 na or ma-fulfill mo yung 4 na conditions. So, ganun lang kung paano mag-apply ng agent direct kay Popo. So, yan lang. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!